If you add, how much you will get? Farhan, now you will able to hear. If you add it, how much you will get? 40, 40, 50, 60, 69. Okay, 72 by 2. 72 or 74? 72 or 74? Then we will get 2 ones are 236. So S is equal to 36 we will get. Write down here 36. Right, Bharat. Very good. Chalo, go for it. Everybody start doing along with me. 36. It's very easy. Already you did it many times. Chalo, come on, fatafat. 36. Root of 36. 36. 36 minus 9 is nothing but what? 27. 36 minus 28, 8 and 1. Chalo, come on, fatafat, do it. 36 root 6. Payal, very good. Payal, go for the square root of 6. Find out by division method, fatafat. I am not going to show you then. So 36 is nothing but I know 36 is the perfect square. Everybody know 36 is the perfect square, correct? So I am going to write 36 as 6 square. I am going to write 36 as 6 square because 36 is the perfect square. Now next I am going to write this 27 as 9 threes are because 9 is a perfect square. 8 I am going to write as 4 twos are because 4 is a perfect square. Now I can write this 9 as 3 square. Okay. And this 4 as 2 square. 4 I will write as 2 square. So 6 square, 3 square, 2 square. This is 6 square, this is 3 square, this is 2 square. Into 6, this is 3 twos are. So now we will take out of the square root 6, 3 and 2. This will come out. Root 6 will get. 6 3s are 18, 18 to the 36, root 6. This is the answer. But we need to find out root 6 value by division method. Root 6 value is what? Nilesh, are you there? Bhargav? Find out the root 6 value by division method. Can you do it? Anybody? Fatafat, we should do 2 to the 4th. Now we don't have time. Point plus 2, 4. Take those 2 zeros down. Bhargav, are you there? 2.25. Aditya says, I don't know how that much fast. When he had a doubt in that, how he got. No problem. Let's see whether he is right or no. We have a 200 here. And here we have a 4. I can't write 45. 44 will be good. 44 into 4. 4 4 are 16. 176. If you do minus, you will get 24. Again, you can take 2 zeros down. And add this 4 here. Add this 4 here. 48 we will get. Now you keep one number. 4, 8 we have. 48 we have. Which number you will keep? I think 5 will be better. 6 we can't take because 6 4 the 24 will become more. 5 will be better. 5 5 are 5 5 are 25. 5 8 are 40. 5 8 are 40 42. 4 5 5 are 24. Oh, 5 also more than that. So 4 only will be good. 4 only will be good. 484 into 4, 16, 32, 33, 19, 1936. So let us take 3, 9, 10. 4, 9 minus 3 will get 6. 3 minus 9 will not go 1. 3 minus 9, 4 and 0. Take another 2 zeros down. Take another 2 zeros down. Correct? Add this 4 here. Add this 4 here. Last step. Last step. 488. Right, Basma? 488. Last step. 488. Which number you will keep? You need 46. Let us try the 7. Let us try the 8. Let us try the 9. 9 nines are 81. 9 8 are 72, 80. 9 8 are 72, 80. 9 4 are 36, 40, 44. Okay, 9 only will be there. 44,000. 44001. Here we will write 9 and here also 9. Correct? Correct now? So finally what answer we got? 2.449. So this I can approximate to what? I can approximate 49 as what? 2.45. I can approximate to 2.45 because 49 is there. It is close to 5. Correct now? 4. After that 9 is there. So I can add it 1. Is it clear? Everybody understood? Final answer will get 36 into root 6 is nothing but 2.45 multiply. What will be the answer? Let me know. If you multiply, you will get 88.2 centimeters square, right? Right now, 88.2 centimeters square, right? But this is the area of one tile. I want area of 16 tile. Area of 16 tiles I want. This is the area of one tile only. Area of one tile it was. Like that 16 tiles are there, so 16 into 88.2. If you multiply, we will get 1411.2 centimeters square. Correct na? Bhumika, very good Akshita. Bhumika, where is your answer? Perfect you was na? Sleeping, huh? Now cost of polishing. Cost of polishing. Polish. What is the cost they gave? 50 paisa per centimeter square. They said only 50 paisa. So what we will do? 1411.2 into 50 paisa nothing but half rupee. So we will get in rupees. 50 paisa nothing but what? 50 paisa in rupees means what? 50 by 100. You will get in rupees 0, 0. 5 on the 5 twos are. So you will get 1 by 2 rupees. 1 by 2 rupees. So that is why I wrote 1 by 2. Okay, so let us cancel. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14. 1 will not go in two tables. 11 will go, but we will write 0. Then 2 fives are 10. 1 carried here, 2 six are. So answer is rupees 705.6. So you can see in this ABCD is a parallelogram. 2 triangles are there. And 1 triangle, all the 3 sides are given. Shashank, right? So you can find out S is equal to 12 plus 17 plus 25 by 2. So 12 plus 17 plus 25, you will get 25, 30. How much you will get? You will get 54 by 2. So if you cancel this, you will get 27. Now you find out area. Area of ABC, root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is nothing but 27. 27 minus 12. 27 minus 17. 27 minus 50, 25. It is very, very important. 27 into 15. This is what? 27 minus 15 into 10 into 2. So you will get your 9 threes are. This will be written as 9 fives are. Sorry, 3 5s are. And this I will write as 2 5s are. Into 2 as it is. Now let us go for perfect square. These two are perfect square. Even these two are perfect square. Even these two are perfect square. And this itself is a 3 square. So 3 square, 3 square, 5 square, 2 square. All are perfect square. It's very important. 3 3s are 9, 5s are 45, 2s are. 45 2s are 90 centimeters square. We got area of triangle. What is the triangle? BCD. Both area of triangle will be same. So we can write down area of parallelogram is equal to 90 plus 90, 180 centimeters square. Area of both triangle equal. Why area of both the triangles equal? Diagonal of a parallelogram divides the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Diagonal of a parallelogram will divide the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. However, you know, opposite sides will be equal. That is also where Heron's formula will get, and area will be same. Now I want to find out the height. Altitude is nothing but height. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Let us see. Area is 180. That is for sure. Let us see what base you will take for the height. What base you will take for the height. This is the base. This is the base. You will take CD as the base. CD is nothing but 12. Okay, and AP is the height. AP is the height. AP. CD is the base, that is 12. CD is the base, that is 12. And height we don't know. H is equal to 180 by 12. If you cancel it, if you cancel 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 15s are. Height is equal to 15 centimeter will get.